make it look good.
Alright, so good day folks, another beautiful day in southwest Trinidad, man. Look at this, beautiful day, man. We're on a hike to the volcano, a mud volcano. Actually it's two mud volcanoes. Let me introduce some of the guys here. My thumbs up, let me away. Vishal in the house. What you have to say?
I don't know.
Nada, what's up, man? Thumbs up. Ariel, thumbs up. Alright. We're going this way.
That way. This way.
This way.
This way. This way. This way, bhai. This way, bhai. You get people lost.
You lost?
You, yeah, you.
Alright. Let's keep walking in one direction, man. You'll reach somewhere. It's a bird nest here. What you got here? Bird nest? Check it out. What you got here? You want to cook anaconda?
Yeah.
Wow.
You just do it.
So, what you have to say?
Not much.
Is this your first hike?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Are you excited?
So.
So? Alright, you could do well, man. Are you tired?
Not so much.
Not so much. Alright. Good, man. And them boys taking the lead up in front here. Let's press this one. Press double. Alright, so we're moving through a forested area here. Tarzan, let's see Tarzan. Careful. Boys will be boys. Alright, so we're moving through a little rainforest spot here. It's nice and cool, eh? Well, watch all the steps. This branch have a lot of pickle in it. You staying hydrated?
Yes.
Let me see your water. Right. How you guys going?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Senor, how are you? You tired?
Looking tired, boy.
Let me see your face. You tired? You had a good night last night? Look at the greenery. Fresh air, man. Beautiful day. Nature. I'm seeing some vine. Where's Tarzan? Tarzan, where are you?
Now this one.
Raju ki Tarzan bhai. The sound of nature. There's nothing more satisfying than being out in the jungle. Just enjoying nature. Refreshing it is. Let's talk about new here. You know, this is the first one here. Come on, let's go. Yes, it's the first
I'm coming, hold on. I'm coming. Come on, take you to China. Try one. No, I don't want to. Come on, man.
Here we have our first mass presentation.
Uncle,
Juve at the volcano.
you want some food?
I get thanks.
I cook soup.
Soup.
Oh no,
Don't touch me.
come for some.
No.
Ariel, don't let close your pants here mess up too much because you might have to go in the car after. Don't let go in the jersey too much.
Right.
She enjoyed. She said.
This is your first trip here?
No. Third.
Third time? Just to give you a little idea how big the volcano is. I would say the diameter is about... Regina, what you say the diameter of this volcano is about?
1 football field.
About 300... I would say about 275 feet in diameter. So this guy is saying here about the size of a football field. Maybe just a little bit smaller, I don't know. Just giving you a little cinematic view.
And I say it is 1 football field.
1 football field. 1 football field. Look at it. Now these mud volcanoes, they do not produce lava, right? So there's a fault in the earth, and then the mud with slurry and other minerals comes up to the surface. Actually, this mud has some beneficial benefits for the skin, you know. Okay, Ariel, tell me about your experience. How was it? How was it like
It's the
out here?
best experience ever. I think I'm going too crazy with the ball, but okay.
You think like you're in a muddy puddle?
Yeah.
Really? My swollen came out.
Let me see. And they find out some. No, they didn't come out. For too long, what will happen? Can you come out?
You might get stuck.
No, you can't sink in volcano. It is keep you afloat.
Well, you try now.
Hey Caleb, what's up? You good? Caleb searching for some fool's gold there. We're moving up to the next volcano now. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. How was the Juve?
Very good.
Come Caleb, come. What you got there, man? Show me. Wait in here. Let me see. Bring it up close to the camera. Wow, very good. I'm going to show you guys our flowers here. I don't know if somebody could identify with the name of it, but it's really nice. Kind of unusual. Cut. Really nice. All part of nature. Look at that. Really nice. You have some mushrooms. Those mushrooms growing there. Right, so we're making our way to the second volcano. This one is larger, I think. Ooh. Oh yeah, like a little drain like.
Talk about in the trenches.
Alright, so this volcano is surrounded by a wood we call buttonwood, right? Actually, they used to make button with this wood, eh? Believe it or not. Look at what it looks like. Those little fine little. Now this the green rum parrotlets feed on this when it's dry. So it's called buttonwood. So I don't know if it's a species of mangrove, but I'm sure it is buttonwood. Right? So this volcano is surrounded by this piece of greenery here. And the water has channeled a little trench. If you can see here, there's a little trench made here. Look at that. Made a trench. Look at this is supposed to be a sulfur. See the color of it, sulfur. That is sulfur there. What's happening here now?
I'm washing my hands.
You're washing your hands? Let me see you wash your hands. Ariel is having a time in this muddy puddle here. Look at her. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig in a muddy puddle. You having fun?
Yeah, I wash my hands. Let's sing.
I think this one might be bigger.
It is, it is.
In terms of
Caleb found another goldstone. Can I put it like that? Love you. Alright. How are you enjoying it so far? Good?
Yeah.
Interesting? How about you, man? Senor? How are you? Good? You look tired.
Nice, the mud I can't handle, boy.
The mud?
I'll catch one, but all my panding.
No, this is not good for your face. This will make your face soft and nice. Your face, catch me, your face going to be soft like a paratha roti. Ariel, catch him, let me see you.
No, I'm
Catch him,
gonna
Ariel.
run. I'll just get my face soon.
Catch him.
I'm gonna run, but don't worry, I'll follow one of these.
All happening at Southwest Adventure, people, man. Look at it. Wow. This one is definitely bigger. I'll give you all the specs in terms of the distance. I'm gonna do a call it's a measurement they use in the military to check the width. I'm gonna give you all the a rough idea as to how much is the diameter of this volcano and the one we visited previously. All right. These kids having fun for sure. Caleb have a pole in his hand about 8 feet in length. Let's see how, we're going to send it down there, let's see how it goes. What? Man! Vishal, help him. Help him, Vishal. Help him to force it up, put it down. Man!
What's your cook?
Stop.
You know.
Let me try this one.
Take it out.
I not touch it now because it's mud. And I'm good.
Keep going. Do holy mud, right? Yeah. Wow.
Try this one.
So you can sing down in there then?
Really?
Wow, look at that.
Caleb, try this.
So we have more or less completed our tour of the volcano. Really is a beautiful day. Look at it, people. Beautiful day. Gorgeous day to be on the outdoors.
Yeah, I want some orange.
Beautiful day to be on the outdoors. And the kids are having fun, eh? Kids are definitely having fun.
Okay, you want orange?
You want an orange? Oh, look at the beauty of this place. Hey man, what are you doing on the volcano? Is that guy pissing over there?
What tiny plants. This is the best experience that any child could ever want, trust me.
Really?
Yes.
What you got there, man?
Stone.
Very orange.
I'm gonna set a fire.
You gonna start a fire?
Yeah.
Alright. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day.
What's the kind? Where you going?
Why do you short?
Right, this pond is covered in duckweed, right? Look at it.
Yeah, I wanted some duckweed for my food.
Came on. Nobody. Nobody.
Came on here. You have a couple came on. I'm unable to zoom on them.
Let's see.
But if I take some duckweed,
yes,
I feel like I'm going
Yeah, fishes?
Some curious onlookers.
You seen them?
I really want to go and take a bit.
I like it, thanks. It's looking good though.
Wow.
A nice spot for cascade with yours and back.
This is a gem. I don't know if you all know about this. Some people call it bread. Ooh. See what it look like. Choppies. Cut it. The carcass cotton candy, people.
You want offer with that?
Anybody want jam?
I don't even want. I don't like that.
Yeah, take a piece. And tell me what you think. Yeah, boy. You like me one?
Something wrong with all them, man.
Nice. Look at the beauty of the spawn here. Wow. All nature, all nature. This is a cabbage lily, I think it is. Look at it. Whole lot of them there. Like it's almost like a cabbage, eh? But it is an aquatic plant. Alright, how are you guys going? Ready for exit? You ready for extraction?
Extraction, that's
Extraction?
Yeah.
Kali, what's up? How's it going?
Good. I know feed na came on. And he almost come. Yeah.
Really?
It was free. I freed it. It
Okay.
freed me. I that one.
Look at the beauty of this people.
right. Check this out. Super.
Really nice. Nature, nature.
Something hit you there? Stick here? Not good.
I just want to go no water, man.
Nature, people, nature. It's a kind of parasite plant, I think.
Water there.
Growing on this coconut tree here.
See you, right?
And this is called chandelier. You guys know this bush? Chandelier. For cough and cold and stuff like that. Look at it. Chandelier. How we got there? Man down? Oh, man up. Taking another 5. A little pit stop.
Yeah.
Some R&R. And then we continue. My girl taking a little chill on the coconut branch. Alright, so moving back out.
I'm going on there, boy. Need help?
Yeah, the people don't have to. Nice, okay.
This is Sinoka Jep here, or what we call tattoo Jep. Nest is that like that of the tattoo. Our local armadillo. Look at them. Hello guys. They pack a very painful stinger. You don't want to get too close to them. I'm using a selfie stick here. This is the entrance to the nest. Look at them. And the guard here. Look at the nest. Wow. And it looks like a newly built nest anyway.
Yes, cook that. Let's carry that. English that? Let's carry that.
I have an uncle call this plant duck and moon, you know, but I don't know. I think it has some, maybe some medicinal value, but it's really a pretty flower. Look at it.
Wow.
How's it going, man?
Good.
Southwest Adventures, man. Let's enjoy nature.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
This is a Timawi picker. Really a pretty picker. Look at it. Wow. Just dancing with the wind. Beauty of nature. Mm.
Hey! Hey, what you?
Verga, verga, verga.
I could be a cowboy. Yeah! I run like I don't want to let by.
Wow.
Go, go.
That's a herd of cow there. And this is the cowboy.
Yeah!
Yeah, I got video.